This is where we left last Saturday. We were doing question number 9, where we have the ages of grandfather and granddaughter given to us. We have been told that the grandfather's age is 10 times the granddaughter's age. So, what we did was we have assumed that the granddaughter's present age is X, and then the grandfather's age will be 10x years. But they also said that the grandfather is 54 years older than her granddaughter. This is the second line of your question. And this means that the age of the grandfather is 54 years more than her granddaughter. Now, if you want, you can write this line before making the equation. So this is where I have made my equation. And before this, if you want, you can write down that grandfather's age is 54 years more than the granddaughter's age, so that it's easier to understand how I have made the equation. So grandfather's age equals to, we have to add 54 to granddaughter's age, and then we will have our equation. Grandfather's age was assumed as 10x, is replaced by equals to 54 years more than granddaughter's age. Means granddaughter की age में आपको 54 add करने हैं. So the equation becomes 10x equals to x plus 54, and by solving this you get x as 6, which tells you how old the granddaughter is, and then you can find out, what's the age of the grandfather, which is 10 times the granddaughter's age. Maybe some of you had completed this last time because I was not able to complete it. If anyone's writing down now, please let me know. Otherwise, we will start with the questions we had left from this exercise. I think one more question, 10th question is left, and third and fourth question are left. I hope I'm audible to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If anyone's writing down, please let me know. Or shall we start with next question?
And please
Please
wait.
wait, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm done.
Before we go to question number third and fourth, let's do the last one. Question number 10th.
यार क्या बंदा है यार. Yeah. Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, when will we got our papers?
Beta, I'm checking the papers most probably by today. Like I'm left with, I think, 20 papers. So I will be checking those today and I'll return. You'll be notified about those.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm still doing the checking, so I hope to complete it today.
Okay, ma'am.
Question number 10th. Aman's age is three times his son's age. Now they're talking about a person and his son. The age of the father is three times the son's age. So you can assume your ages from the very first line of your question that the age of the son can be taken as x, then the father's age will be 3x. And then we can see what they are saying further. Afterwards, they say 10 years ago. So 10 years ago means we have to go 10 years back. And when we want to go 10 years back, the ages will be reduced. And that means if we want to find out their past ages. So past age of son will be x minus 10 and the past age of father will be 3x minus 10. दोनों की ages में से हम 10 minus कर देंगे. अगर हम फ्यूचर एज फाइंड कर रहे हैं तो हम ईयर्स ऐड करेंगे, अगर हम पास्ट की एज फाइंड कर रहे हैं या लिख रहे हैं तो हम माइनस कर देंगे हमें जितना दूर जाना है. So right now we will be subtracting 10 from each of their ages. And then they are saying that in the past, Aman, the father, was 5 times his son's age in the past. So past age of father equals to 5 times the past age of son. So you have to find out their present ages. I hope the question is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Let's
ma'am.
write the
Yes, ma'am.
answer. Yeah, let's write the answer for this one. So I'm going to shift the values with x to the other side, and I'm going to take minus 10 from left hand side and take it to the right hand side. And now you can give the answer. The present ages of the son and the father. And if you want to cross verify, you can verify by finding their past ages. So 10 years ago, if you check how old the son was, he was 10 years old and the father would be 50 years old. And that means at that time, in the past, 10 years ago, father's age was 5 times a son's age. अगर हम 10 साल पहले की बात करें, let me know once you've noted down, then we will do question number 3 and question number 4.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, please wait. Ma'am, done.
So we will be doing question number 3 and question number 4 now, which are based on 2-digit numbers. There is, I think, an example also. This question, actually the type is very important. You will come across these type of questions later also in 9th standard, 10th standard as well, where you have a number containing 2 digits and they have told you about the changing the order of the digits. So first of all, what we need to understand is how a 2-digit number is formed. The method that we will be using to make a 2-digit number is the expanded form of a 2-digit number. So I will just write down any 2-digit number that comes to my mind for the time being. So let us say I think of a 2-digit number. I hope everyone knows what a 2-digit number is.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, a number that contains 2 digits. Your 2-digit numbers begin from 10 and go up to 99, right? 10 is the smallest 2-digit number and the largest 2-digit number is 99. So we can think of any 2-digit number written as this way. We can expand it. You used to do this in junior classes when you were told to write down the expanded form of a number. So 75 can be written as 70 plus 5. And if you look closely, you can see that this is 7 multiplied by 10 plus 5 multiplied by 1. And what this makes you realize is that the digit which is at tens place has been multiplied with 10 and the digit which is at ones place has been multiplied by 1 and their values have been added. Does this make sense to you?
Yes, ma'am.
हमने किया क्या है, हमारे पास अगर हमें पता हो कि आपके 2 डिजिट नंबर में वंस प्लेस पे कौन सी वैल्यू है और टेंस प्लेस पे कौन सी वैल्यू है, हाउ कैन वी मेक दैट नंबर? वंस प्लेस वाली वैल्यू को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई कर लो, टेंस प्लेस वाली वैल्यू को 10 से मल्टीप्लाई कर लो, और जो आंसर्स आएंगे उनको आपको ऐड करना है, एंड देन यू विल नो व्हाट योर नंबर इज. Now, since we do not know the actual digits in the numbers that are given to us, हम वेरिएबल फॉर्म में सॉल्व करेंगे. सो दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट. अगर तो आपको डिजिट पहले से ही पता हो, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई से कि मेरे पास कोई नंबर है और उसकी वंस प्लेस पे है 3, सपोज वंस प्लेस पे 3 है और टेंस प्लेस पे 2 है, सो यू कैन सिंपली मेक द नंबर एज 23. बिकॉज राइट नाउ आपको इतनी प्रैक्टिस हो चुकी है इस चीज की, आपको पता है वंस प्लेस आनी है राइट साइड पे एंड द डिजिट नेक्स्ट टू इट राइट बिफोर इट विल बी द टेंस डिजिट एंड दैट इज 2. लेकिन अगर हम इसको लॉजिकली अंडरस्टैंड करें, द लॉजिक सेज दैट द टेंस डिजिट शुड बी मल्टीप्लाइड विद 10, that is the place value of that digit. So 2 will be multiplied by 10, this will give you 20. The digit at ones place should be multiplied with 1 and that gives you 3. And these are actually the place values. And then you add these place values, you obtain your number. This is the logic we will use to make the digits or the question, sorry. This is the logic we will use to make the number here in the question. Just the expanded form. Now, before I take you up with question 3, हम question 4 पहले कर रहे हैं. Question number 4 says one of the two digits of a 2-digit number is 3 times the other digit. अब मेरा जो 2-digit number है वो 2 digit से बना हुआ है. एक digit होगा ones place पे और एक digit होगा मेरा tens place पे. और वो कह रहे हैं कि ये जो 2 digits हैं उनमें से एक दूसरे का 3 टाइम्स है. So you can take any one digit as x, the other digit will be 3x. Is this clear? My number contains 2 digits और उसमें से एक digit जो है वो दूसरे का 3 times है. I will give you an example. For example, you could think of the number 39. ये मेरे पास वंस प्लेस पे है, वंस प्लेस पे 9 है और टेंस प्लेस पे 3 है. सो व्हाट आई कैन से इज कि जो वंस प्लेस वाला डिजिट है वो टेंस प्लेस वाले डिजिट का 3 टाइम्स है. इज दैट करेक्ट?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is how I have assumed that अगर मुझे पता हो कि एक digit x है, the other one can be assumed as 3x. But इससे मेरा number नहीं form हुआ. The way I have written here in the box, this does not help me make my number. To make my number, I will have to use expanded form. So first of all, let's make our number and then we will get back to our question. सिर्फ अभी इतना काम करना है कि हम डिजिट्स अज्यूम करने के बाद अपना नंबर फॉर्म करेंगे. The first step of the question is to assume your digits and then make your number. So let So now I'm going to use expanded form. So that means the digit at ones place is to be multiplied with 1 plus the digit at tens place is to be multiplied with 10. And if you want, you can write down for yourself if you want. So this is digit at ones place, we multiply it with 1, and this is the digit at tens place, this has been multiplied with 10, and we have to add the results. So from the first bracket you get 1x, from the second bracket you get 30x, so your number becomes 31x. This is your first step, assuming the digits and then making your 2-digit number. Anyone with questions still here?
No.
No, ma'am.
If anyone's writing down, please let me know.
And please wait.
Sure.
I'm done.
Now, after you have done your first step, you have formed your number. Now we can go back to our question and see what they are asking you to do further. Now, if you look at the next line of the question, they are saying, if you interchange the digits of this 2-digit number, अगर हम इस number के digits को interchange कर दें, what will happen? Now, I had taken this example here. मैंने जो number आपको यहाँ पे example दी थी 39 था. अगर हम इसके digits को interchange कर दें, swap करनी है places, तो आपके पास एक new number बन जाएगा. The new number will be 93. So this is what we want to do with our number in question 4th. जो number हमने अभी बनाया है, उसके अगर digits को हम interchange कर दें, तो new number कौन सा बनेगा? And because later on I want to use this resulting number. Resulting number means the new number that will be formed once I reverse the order of the digits or interchange the digits. Then I want to add the new number to the original number, and my answer will be 88, and then I want to find out my original number. So ये remaining part में हम वापस आएंगे question पे. Let us just focus on what will happen if we just interchange the digits. Okay, I'm going back there, beta. Just a minute, I'll be going back there. It's not complete yet, question number 4. So we will be interchanging the digits. This is the second step of your question. Interchange the digits and then find out what the new number will be. So I don't want you to just quickly interchange the digits in the number that you obtained here. जो आपने भी आंसर निकाला है 31x, यहाँ पे नहीं इंटरचेंज करना, आपको बिगिनिंग से सारा कुछ करना है. So what I have here is, this is the second step. Interchanging the digits. Digit at ones place and the digit at tens place. अब बिगिनिंग में जो आपने वैल्यूज लिखी थी वो इंटरचेंज हो जाएंगी. वंस प्लेस पे पहले आपने क्या लिखा था?
X.
एंड टेंस प्लेस पे हमने लिखा था 3x.
3x.
I'm going to interchange these. वंस प्लेस पे आ जाएगा 3x और टेंस प्लेस पे चला जाएगा x. And then form your new number. And the logic is still same. ones place digit into 1 plus the tens place digit into 10. Now you might be thinking कि यहाँ तो सीधे digits interchange हो गए हैं, but I will advise you to follow these steps from the beginning कि जब आपने digits को interchange किया तो क्या होगा ones place पे और tens place पे, और फिर उनकी help से आपको like form the number using the expanded form again. 31x को 13x कर दिया है हमने यहाँ पे. It is just a coincidence. It does not happen always. ये हमेशा नहीं होगा, यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक coincidence है कि 31x has become 13x. So always make your number using your rule of expanded form. And once you have obtained the new 2-digit number, let us see what they were saying in the question. They were saying that when you add this new number to your original number, the sum is 88. So this is the part where they are saying add the resulting number to the original number, you get 88. So this part will be used to make the equation. So I'm going back to the answer. And finally, what I have, according to question, the new number plus the original number, the total is 88. Now use your new number and use your original number. This is the original number and this is your new number. So you have 13x plus 31x equals to 88. From here you will have 44x equals to 88. X comes out to be 2. And now you can give your answer. The original number, I'm going to just use from here. The original number was 31x. So 31 multiplied by 2, the answer is 62. And you can check all the things जो question में कही थी उन्होंने. If you look at the digits, one digit is 3 times the other digit. जो tens place पे value है, it is 3 times the value at ones place. ये उन्होंने सबसे पहले कहा था. बाद में उन्होंने कहा था कि अगर आप इसको इंटरचेंज करते हो और अपने ओरिजिनल नंबर में ऐड कर दो तो टोटल 88 बनता है. एंड यू कैन चेक दैट ऑल्सो. 62 को अगर हम रिवर्स कर दें 26 बनेगा और 26 के साथ जब हम 62 को ऐड करेंगे द टोटल विल बी 88.
Okay, ma'am.
Anyone who wants to ask anything? If you're writing down, please let me know. We will do one more question and I hope उससे थोड़ा आपको और clarity हो जाएगी कि हम यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं.
मैम ऐसा मैम हमेशा ही होता है मैम, जो 1s प्लेस पे है वो 1 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा मैम, जो 10th प्लेस पे वो 10 से।
Always.
ओके मैम।
Should we do the next question, the one we have left, question number 3? Is anyone writing down?
नो मैम।
Let's take a look at the third question. Third question again is about a 2-digit number. They are saying that the sum of the digits of the 2-digit number is 9. Then further again they are saying when we interchange the digits, we find that the resulting number is greater than the original number by 27. So same procedure will be followed. आपको पहले अपना 2-digit number form करना है originally, and then you will be making the new number, and then using the two answers that you obtain, you will be forming your equation. So first of all, to make your original number, you want to write down what are the digits of that number. So what's given to you? They are saying that the sum of the digits is 9. The sum of the digits is 9. So how do we let the digits? एक आपने ones place का digit let करना है, and then the digit at tens place using the very first line. So one way is simply this, एक का नाम तो x रखो.
9x 10th प्लेस।
Think carefully. In the fourth question उन्होंने बोला था 3 times the other digit, तो मैंने 3x बनाया था. यहाँ पे वो बोल रहे हैं sum is 9. अगर इन दोनों डिजिट्स को ऐड किया जाए, द टोटल इज 9, और उन दोनों में से मुझे एक की वैल्यू पता है. सो व्हाट विल बी द वैल्यू ऑफ द सेकंड डिजिट? इट विल बी 9 minus x.
9 minus x.
इट्स लाइक देयर आर टू नंबर्स का टोटल है 9. आउट ऑफ दोस टू डिजिट्स अगर मुझे एक की वैल्यू पता हो, आई कैन फाइंड आउट द अदर वन लाइक दिस. इज दैट करेक्ट?
यस
Yes,
मैम।
ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is how we are going to let the digits. So let's write down. Once आपने decide कर लिया कि आपके digits कैसे assume होने हैं, उसके बाद हम पहले number बनाएंगे, the original 2-digit number. फिर digits को interchange करके हम resulting new number बनाएंगे, फिर equation बनाएंगे. So there will be 3 steps. Let's write that down. So first step is to make your original number. And this is what I'm going to use, that the sum of the digits was given as 9. Let the digit at ones place be x. Therefore, digit at tens place will be 9 minus x. And if you want to check, x plus 9 minus x is equal to 9.